How to change your PayPal email address. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To change your PayPal email address, you can directly open up your PayPal app or in a browser search for paypal.com. So over here, make sure you are logged in into your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, at the very top, navigate to the three horizontal line in the left-hand corner. From here, tap on the Setting Gear option. In here, you need to tap on the Account button. Then, scroll down until you find the option of Email. So over here, without changing or removing, you can also add an additional email address. However, if you want to change it, you can click on the Edit button. After that, you can remove it and you can rewrite the password. Then click on the Confirm button. After which, you will have to verify the email address. This is how you'll be able to change your PayPal email address. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.